Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of Axis Magnus credit card. Axis Magnus credit cards comes in this box. On top of the box you can see Axis Bank Magnus and it will have your address, and the back of the box looks like this. Let's open the box. Here you can see that once again Axis Magnus. You need to open like this. Let's keep this box aside, and inside we have one more box. Let's open this. Here you can see the message, welcome to Magnus Life. Here is a credit card and there is info on how to activate your credit card. Let's open the credit card from this. Okay, let's keep it aside. And the packaging is pretty good, and also you will get the priority pass membership card inside the box, and there is a detailed brochure on how to use your Axis Magnus credit card. Axis Magnus is my first high-end premium credit card, and this is how the Axis Magnus credit card looks. It's a metal card, not a plastic credit card. You can activate your credit card and you can set your PIN. Let's peel this paper, and over here you can see the name on your credit card. The card quality is pretty good, and the back of the Axis Magnus looks like this. It's a Visa Infinite credit card. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.